Okay, so what we have here is a record 778. Copy of the 78 from Stanley, except that it has a dual pin fence. And one of the other cool features about it is that the fence has 3 holes for mounting, like rosewood or something on there, so that you can mount up a nice piece of wood to slide along your wood. Same style knicker, same basic style depth stop, all cast body just like the 78, front bull nose and rear, just like the 78. The depth adjustment is a knob instead of a lever, so that's different. It's not screw-in fence rails there, or rods there. It's open passageway with lock screws there. Same kind of cast hollow handle. This is as found. You can see there's a little bit of rust and paint on it, but in general, it's in pretty darn good condition right out of the get-go. Knicker looks like it's barely been used. Got a little dust on it. I haven't spent the time to clean it up quite yet. There's that. See if I can get that record in focus for you. Get a record there. See if I turn the light down, if it'll help. There you can see the record on the blade. You can see the mechanism that adjusts the depth. Anyway, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a comparison video or not, but it begs the question because I do have a 78. Sorry, brought that over there. So I do have a 78. You can see the lever style blade adjustment. I think this one is a little bit more refined as far as fine adjustments go. The Stanley has the screw here and the screw here for the fence, and so you can mount the fence either way, and you can do that same thing with this one. You just have to kind of come through here. So both have the option to mount the fence on either side, coming from either side. Both have a similar style knicker. This one obviously has a little bit more rust. Similar style there. I think maybe the casting is slightly more refined on the 78. Just a couple bits of rough on the 778. But the design on the 778 is real interesting to me, and I'm not saying so far that it's better or anything like that, but it's similar enough with what I would call some refinements that I'm interested to see if it's going to be just a slight upgrade. Amongst the plane collector group that I talk to on Saturdays of Plane Life, Planes and Coffee, on Zoom every Saturday, there's a little concern that dual arm or dual rod fence will be more stable but harder to be parallel, or harder to get parallel with the sole. So we'll give that a little bit of a whirl. We'll try them out and see what happens. And back here in the background, I just have a straight 192 with depth stop. There's no rods on that one for a fence at all. Never was, never will be. Sorry, get that in the picture for you. Yep, just thought I'd show you the little brother. Yeah, so that's the family. The family. I think I have some Craftsman and Miller Falls bodies, but not complete planes. I might pull those in. If I get a full video going, I might pull all those in and see what we can see. Currently, my whole workshop's torn up with with the turning project I've got going on, so I'm not going to do that anytime soon. But yeah, so I've got a little something for you tonight. Let me know if you guys have any questions about these, or if you have any answers too. I'm not saying I know all there is to know, and even opinions. I will gladly listen to your opinions. And I have a bunch of spare blades for the 78, but that 78 may go up for sale if I really like this one. But we'll see. It's complete. It's got everything: nicker, fence, depth stop, blade, all the knobs, all the bits. I had to get a extra screw for it, but it's got it. So all complete. Let me know if you guys are interested. One of them's probably going to be for sale, either the 778 if I don't like it, or the 78 if I really like that dual rod scenario. So give me your opinions, your thoughts, your questions, your knowledge. Thank you so much.